Hi guys, Josh here from this channel, and now we're playing Angry Birds 2. Hey, what's this? Hats. Hats. New card level available. What? Treasures, leveling slingshot. New levels available. Oh, leveling slingshots and hats. Oh, and card. Elder. What is this? Without further ado, let's get started. Okay, I never played this game, but I played the Angry Birds 1, the first game of Angry Birds. Ooh. The slingshot is changed, and the graphics. Okay, let's get. Oh, yay! There's. Watch out! What the? Whoa! Whoa! Oh, another. What's that? It's so cool! What the? Oh, the eggs! It's right here. This level has 2 rooms. Oh, great! I mean, not great. Hiya! Watch out! Reds have a power. I mean, ability. No, what the fudge? Oh, fudge. No. Yay! Okay. What now? It's loading? Okay. Chef boy. Really, chef boy? Golden chest! Yay, boo! Cool with eyes. Let me see. What is that egg do? Oh, unique name. Lock egg giant. Wow. What? Still is added? And then some. Whoa, this is cool. What the fudge? Wait. It's just the profile picture. Really? Okay, let's just go to the map. Yeah, I know this is. Nah, never mind. Why did you tap that? Really? I'm such an idiot. Again. Let's do this. Yeah. Okie dokie. Oh. What is this? Oh, please. Thank you. A gem! Yay! Just 3. Okay, let's just continue. Play. I'm an angry flocking bird. Okay. Oh, we can choose. Can we choose red? My mom knows this game, and she said that this game can teach some other birds and blah 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 and other stuff. My mom is child. Oh, there we go. We can change now. What's up? Kaboom, kaboom. Strike. Look at that. Guy, who is your favorite character in Angry Birds? Mine is Bob because he explodes and it just explodes. Oh, another chest. Can unlock it by level 3, I think. Whew. Do this. We can do this. I feel the come on, this. Oh, never mind. Yeah. Whatcha? Boom. Boom. What is that flower? Is that a design? Okay. Wait, no. Okay, there we go. Whatcha? What? No! Okay, just have one more. What? Oh, the flower shoots some things, I think. What? Just 2-star? Okay. Loading, loading, loading. Loading, loading, loading. Now we get the chest. Sweet. Chalk. Yep, chalk. The first one. The blues are great against ice. I know it's glass, not ice. I think white ice, I guess. Well, I'm not comfy in my bed. Okay, let's just continue. Tap anywhere talk. Blah blah blah. Boom! Fascinating. Boom. Okay. So much music. Distraction. Okay, we stop, and then bomb, boom. The TNT blows up. Bomb. Yep. This was so fun. Let me take a peek. Yeah. There you go. Okay, it's not lagging. We got a reward of taking quest. Oh, what is this? Oh, I saw it. Congratulations, I got a large amount of feathers. Yay! Level up birds give higher score. Yes! Yes! Okay, let's get into it. Oh, why there's a crown there? Wahahaha! Say the chest. Pig the chef. Chef the pig. Okay, it's raining. Chop boom. And then boom. Yeah. Okay. Strike. Oh, hi, Chef Pig. Oh, yep, Chef Pig. Can you push this red? Okay. Yeah. There you go. TNT on you. Can you hit that ice? Okay, hit it. Yeah. Yep, you hit it. Boom. Boom. Yeah. Yes. Oh, hi, pig. Hi. Bye. See you later, alligator. See you later, piggy later. Yep, 3-star. Oh, come on. I am not surprised. Come on. Come on. Come on! There you go. And then another. What is this little thingy? Dress to impress. Use black pearls to buy awesome hats for your birds. Win them in the weekly tournament or daily challenge. Awesome. Can you buy some? Because I want to buy some. Okay. Last level and I will end up the video. Okay. We can do this. We can do this. Josh Herrera the fourth. Oh, it's easy. Oh, a golden pig. A golden pig pop into install filled with this. Oh. Hi, golden piggy. Yeah. Yeah. Yep. See you later. Oh, just more. Let's just hit this box. Yeah. Boom. Birdie. Oh, great. There's some flower here that we can hit. Let's pop up the balloon or smash the ice. Blink. Whoa. The rock's going full, but we succeeded with 3-star. Okay, guys, this is the end of this video, and subscribe to my channel. Big fat thumbs up, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.